This Chinese motorhome is starting to shake up the RV market. Getting full motorhome comfort in such a small vehicle might sound impossible, but the Deddle RV Youfo is trying to prove that it can be done. This compact motorhome from China is designed to offer both easy mobility and everyday comfort without the size of a traditional RV. At around 6 meters long, it still manages to include many of the features people usually expect in a much bigger motorhome. With its modern design and smart use of space, the Deddle RV Youfo is beginning to change what many RV fans thought was possible in a vehicle this size. From the outside, the Deddle RV Youfo looks like a motorhome built with care. Its design finds the perfect balance between being easy to drive and offering a comfortable interior. At almost 6 meters long, just over 2.5 meters wide, and a bit over 3 meters tall, it fits neatly into the popular sub-6 meter category. That means it's surprisingly easy to drive and park, even in tight city streets or scenic roadside stops where bigger motorhomes might struggle. The chassis of the Deddle RV Youfo is built for comfort and durability on long trips, and driving it feels surprisingly stable, more like a big car than a bulky RV. For anyone used to regular vehicles, that familiar feel makes a big difference. Visibility from the cockpit is excellent, and a 360-degree camera lets you see everything around the motorhome. That makes navigating narrow streets, reversing into campsites, or parking in crowded areas much easier and less stressful. The exterior of the Deddle RV Youfo combines modern European looks with smart design choices. Its smooth, aerodynamic body not only cuts through the wind, but also gives the RV a sleek look on the road. Large windows are placed around the vehicle to let in plenty of natural light and offer great views, keeping you connected to the outdoors while inside the motorhome. The entry door on the Deddle RV Youfo is on the side, making it easy to get in and out of the living area. It's built strong and sealed well, keeping the motorhome durable and comfortable in any weather. Nearby compartments give you quick access to extra storage, so you can organize outdoor gear, tools, or travel essentials without cluttering the inside. On the exterior, the Deddle RV Youfo has smart storage compartments along the lower body, perfect for camping gear, tools, and other essentials. The strong doors keep items safe from dust, rain, and bumps, while keeping the inside tidy and comfortable, even on long trips. The roof of the Deddle RV Youfo is packed with features for off-grid travel. A 700-watt solar panel system captures sunlight and turns it into power for the RV, keeping lights, appliances, and other electronics running. This lets travelers stay off the grid longer and enjoy remote locations without worrying about finding a power hookup. The Deddle RV Youfo's water system is built for practical travel. Its 150-liter freshwater tank gives plenty of water for cooking, cleaning, and daily use on longer trips. This means you can stay off-grid for several days without worrying about refills, especially if you use water efficiently. The Deddle RV Youfo's exterior shows that a compact size doesn't mean you have to compromise. It's built for freedom, easy to drive on small roads, park in tight spots, and explore farther. Whether navigating city streets, cruising scenic highways, or settling into a remote campsite, it looks modern and sleek while still giving you all the practical features experienced travelers love. Step inside the Deddle RV Youfo, and you'll see how much can fit into its small size. The interior is designed to make every inch count, turning the compact space into a surprisingly comfortable living area. With a clean, modern look and smart layout, it feels cozy and welcoming the moment you walk in. Smart layout and lighting make the Deddle RV Youfo's interior feel more spacious than it really is. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light during the day, while soft ambient lighting keeps the cabin cozy in the evening. Good insulation also helps keep it quiet and comfortable, no matter the weather outside. At the front, the driver's cabin flows right into the living space when parked, and both seats swivel to become part of the lounge. This smart design adds extra seating and makes it easy for everyone to gather comfortably. In the center, the spacious lounge is the main hangout area, with a dinette that fits up to 4 people around a sturdy, versatile table. The seats are comfy for meals, chatting, or relaxing after a day of travel, and the table placement lets everyone enjoy the view outside while they eat, work, or unwind. Next to the lounge is the kitchen, showing that a small motorhome can still have a full cooking space. Everything you need is within easy reach, and a 2-burner gas stove lets you cook hot meals without relying on outside facilities. Above the counter, a microwave makes reheating or quick meals easy, while a double-door fridge has enough space for fresh food, drinks, and meals for a few days. The counter provides room for chopping and meal prep, and cabinets above and below keep cookware, utensils, and pantry items organized, helping the interior stay tidy and clutter-free. The Deddle RV Youfo's bathroom shows smart use of space. It features a cassette toilet that's easy to maintain and saves room, while a separate shower keeps bathing comfortable even in a compact area. With good ventilation and a practical layout, the bathroom stays fresh and works well for longer trips. At the back, the Deddle RV Youfo has a comfy double bed, and a clever rear slide-out makes the bedroom feel much bigger when parked. This extra space around the bed creates a more comfortable sleeping area, turning the compact motorhome into a surprisingly roomy retreat. Above the driver's cab, the Deddle RV Youfo has an alcove bed, giving a second double bed and extra sleeping space. This lets the motorhome comfortably sleep up to 4 people, making it perfect for couples, small families, or friends traveling together. Even though the Deddle RV Youfo is compact, it has plenty of storage. Cabinets and hidden compartments are found everywhere, from the lounge to under the seats and near the bedroom, keeping clothes, gear, and essentials organized without taking over the space. Technology also helps make life inside the Deddle RV Youfo easier and more comfortable. The lights are set up to be both practical and cozy, with adjustable brightness for day or night. Solar-powered systems run the lights, appliances, and electronics, so you don't have to rely on external hookups as much. The Deddle RV Youfo starts at around $170,000, making it a high-end compact motorhome. With its smart design, modern features, and space for 4 people, it's a standout option for RV travelers. Keep in mind that the price can vary depending on your country, taxes, or optional upgrades. The Deddle RV Youfo packs comfort and clever design into a compact motorhome. With a sleek exterior, smart off-grid features, a well-laid-out interior, and space for up to 4 people, it proves small doesn't mean limited. It offers the perfect blend of mobility, comfort, and innovation for any adventure.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and information about RVs, motorhomes, and life on the road.